Types of cars: sedan, SUV, crossover, convertible, hatchback, coupe, pickup truck, sports car, electric car, muscle car, cabriolet, compact car, race car, monster car, off-road car, police car, taxi, beetle car, limousine, microcar, Mini Cooper, Hummer, vintage car, roadster, minivan, campervan, station wagon. Types of bikes: moped, scooter, trike, chopper, sports bike, quad bike, cruiser, dirt bike, scrambler, cafe racer, touring bike, police motorcycle. Types of trucks: pickup truck, tow truck, concrete truck, bucket truck, box truck, semi-trailer truck, flat trailer semi-truck, fuel truck, delivery truck, food truck, ice cream truck, fire truck, crane truck, garbage truck, recycle truck, sewage tank truck, airport fire truck, road train truck, cattle truck, milk tanker truck, hazmat truck, farm truck, water truck, car carrier truck, military truck.